Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Asị m ka nke echukwelu ya zelu. Anyị si ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ, mmiri atara m azụ anwụra. Asa dịrị mma na eke, dịrị mma na orie, fọzara mma na afọ, fọzara mma na nkwọ, ụzọ ahịa anọ nke ndị Igbo ji biri. Asị na ya dịra n'Igbo na mma o. Ise, ise, ise. Dịka o si dị ka agbapụ na ya ọsọ igosi na ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Na tupu anyị aga n'igosi na ya bụ ife, ọ bụla nke a bụ ụbọchị izu gị, ị na-ejete afụ chanel anya n'igbe akwụkwọ ka baro ka ị like and subscribe ọ, tinyekwa kọmentị, share ekwe ya, tụsa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnne anyị dị n'ebe dị iche iche wee nụ ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo a. Dịka o si dị, ihe wetara unu tata bụ nnukwu ọpdeti dị oke mkpa. Mma nchọ ka onye ọbụla misie ya, mma nchọ ka ị ga ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi ya bụ ife wetara unu gbasa maka ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya. And nwere ndị Igbo na-azọ drọpụra your own comment
to them. What Nigeria is after is how to make you and convert you from Christianity, from traditional worshiper, to become an Islamic Onyanapishiyala, people that bow down and start worshiping other gods. That is what they are interested in. They are not interested in your welfare. Nigeria is not interested in your development. They are not interested in infrastructure. They are not interested in road. They are not interested in anything other than Ishiala. Begin to, grow your beer, and you have mark on your forehead, and then as a mark of a good worshipper. That's all. And that is not what we want for our people. That's why many of us are doing what we are doing today. They have said Simon Ekpa is an agent of Nigeria. And, of course, that is not selling anymore. But those who were shouting for Biafra for many years, and when I joined nnamdi Kanu, I told him, Onyendu, if you do not have anything on the table, I am bringing something to the table. I told him, if this Biafra that IGBO is fighting is not real, I will come to make it a reality. Because actually it was not real. There was nothing, like no direction, and that's why this map carrying Tony Nnamdi has always been saying, where is your road map? He knows what he was saying, but of course in a very wrong way. Can he come now and tell me what is your road map? Can he come now? Can that Tony Nnamdi carry map now and start saying, where is your road map? Do you hear about MNK again? All of them have disappeared because they can't swallow their pride. So they will be watching from one corner. This guy, this Ekpa. But I will not go because everybody is afraid. Some of them, they may think they have businesses at home. They have people at home. So if they come to join Simon Ekpa, with how they know them, they'll get their things will be attacked. Their businesses back home will be attacked. Their family will be attacked. That is all. Not the reason why they have not come to start knocking at the door of the Biafra government is because they are into real estate businesses in Biafra land. MNK is into real estate business. Are you not aware? The same thing with Wazirike. All of them are the same bed of the same feather. They have properties everywhere. That's why when you think when they say, show me one property of Simon Ekpa, they are not looking for it to say Simon Ekpa have property. They are looking for it so they will go and destroy it. So that is exactly what they are doing. Oh, show me one investment of Simon Ekpa. You think when I show you investments of Simon Ekpa in Nigeria, they will start praising me? The answer is no. They want to look for the investment. They will go and destroy it. That's why these people can never join this Biafra, because they know this Biafra is a reality. And so, if you join and they know your businesses, they will start attacking it first. They will destroy it first. That's why many of them, when you see them saying, this guy have nothing, nnamdi Kanu have nothing in Biafra land, nnamdi Kanu have no business, is because they know nnamdi Kanu is genuine. And so, the only thing they can attack is his father's house, which they did. But other ones following him, what are they doing? They have businesses and building houses everywhere. And the worst is when they build this house, they brag about it. So they are scared of losing their houses. That's why When you hear them talk, Ekpa, where is your investment? Must I have investment before fight? Is it a prerequisite requirement that before you fight for freedom of your people, you must have investment? Tell me, how many investment did Gandhi have? What is the investment of Mandela? You know, when they come to tell you how Mandela was fighting, they are not telling you that Mandela did not also have properties in South Africa. Are they telling you that? They will not tell you that, but they want to tell you how Mandela fought. They want to tell you how Gandhi fought. But they are also telling you during the time of Gandhi, the mansion of Gandhi. They want to tell you where is the property of Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is from India. My property is in India. I am from New Delhi. If that is not enough, I don't know what else is enough for you. But I have volunteered to fight for Biafra, and I am fighting for Biafra people, and Biafra people accepted me. So who are you? Who are you to question when 50 million Biafra have accepted me? Who are you? Do you know where Tinubu come from? You that is fighting Simon Ekpa for one Nigeria. Do you know where Tinubu come from? Do you know where Buhari come from? All these people are not even Nigerians, but they have come to destroy your future. But I am here as a good guy from India, New Delhi. I don't know, I'm going to speak my language one of these days. Right. That is the kind of snake. What is the name of that movie, Honorable Sonny? What is that? What is the name of that movie? That snake. What is the snake girl, right? Vama, I know you are the one. What is the name?
Something like that. It has something to do with reggae.
Yes, Snake Girl. If you did not watch Snake Girl from as a child, it means that you miss your childhood, right? Mama, you know the Snake Girl, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. In those days, the woman will turn to snake. Bah! Will turn to snake. Cobra. Will be shouting. Ah, India, they do juju. Ah, look at how woman is turning to snake. Oh, Jesus Christ. Anyway, so my people, Biafrans, I want you to understand that I will be the last bus stop of Nigeria. I have come to finish this job. It is a long time coming. This is what everybody have waited for this day. And the good news is that many of you have given us this consent. We have been able to set up a government structure. This is the best. I am telling you that Biafra government is the best in the history of freedom fighting. There is no government in exile that have done what we have done. I am telling you the fact. Go and research. Go to research. No government in exile. And on this note, I want to make public, exceptionally, make public one part of, I will say, the front page of the Biafra ID card on this particular space today. So you are privileged to be the first person to see it. I'm going to present it tomorrow to the cabinet. But I want to use the opportunity because what we are doing now is to create awareness to our people to know how serious we are. So the Honorable Minister of Information, I am going to send you. I'm going to send you something. Of course, I will cut some things that I don't want to be public for security reason. So only Biafrans that have applied and qualified for the ID card will see it and have them collected in Finland during our convention. The sample of the Biafra national ID card that met even the European standard. So let us feed the Umu Okoko. I've never used this word before. It sounds very good. Umu Okoko. Umu Okoko. And when they tell you, oh, Wazirike, dude, I have explained that yesterday, we are not the same. What we do now is that Uwazurike can release anything and do anything without any structure of a government is rubbish. Today we have the structure of a government. We are trying to prove to the world that Biafra is non-organized and can be recognized as a state. We are trying to prove to the world that that thing they say it is impossible. Under this Nigeria evil state, it is becoming possible. We have organized ourselves. We have put up government institutions. We have put up liaison offices that will automatically become embassy, whether they like it or not. From the 2nd of December, all our liaison office will become automatic embassy. We are going to vote for the approval of the embassy of Biafra across the globe where we have liaison office. It is not a joke. Sonny, can you put this on the highlight? I don't know how you want to do it. Put it on the highlight while I will be taking pictures. I will be taking questions. Thank you. And of course, this is just one. You know, by tomorrow cabinet, in the tomorrow cabinet meeting, the government will know. Cabinet will know what we have done. Thank you.
Okay, Ben, thank you. So the floor is open for questioning now. Minister Jarrett.
And I want to say one more thing. Biafra national identity card. I am telling you now, no Africa country, as of today, no Africa country, as of today, have the standard, the security standard of the Biafra government national identity card. No Africa country have it. And it's a challenge. I am telling you, this is European standard with heavy security features. When you people will see our agenda, they will run mad. Agenda will be presented to the Biafra cabinet tomorrow. All right.
All right, please, I'm going to be bringing you guys in now. Those that are ready to ask the Prime Minister questions, please raise your hands as you come in. Raise your hands and ask questions. Please don't mind, I'm going to mute my mic because nnamdi is just a little bit noisy here. Please raise your hands, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mazi, God bless you. The name of it is Sunita. The snake is Sunita.
Okay,
Yes,
you're
you are
talking
right.
about the dancing girl. Yes, Sunita.
Rose are the people who enjoy the snake game.
Yes. So Sunita, that's the walked to snake girl, sir. So that is it. You know, it was many 1970s and 80s, sir. So most of them don't know what we are talking, sir.
Oh, yeah, Indomie children.
Exactly, so who ezigbo ụtara agbọ a ga-afọ afọ gaa ubi gote pụta, will go to farm, get it, you know. Before you get the Sunita to watch, you know, they will gather many people, you understand. So that is it, sir. So thank you for that. In short, let me say
That means you have been stretching your neck since to answer, but we were not because we didn't get the mic.
I've been there, and I want to say it. But our PM, like please let me just use 1 minute. Thank you,
Go
sir.
ahead, Honorable Rose. Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I am said I want to speak general, let people know that you have made Biafra proud. Like I said, Iwo Batobie. And I always add that in Jokuji, they don't know the meaning of Njokuji. I said in Finland, by Chuko Kikabiama, I will explain to them with Nkata. You understand, Adem Fruba. And again, you are the key that opens Biafra. You are the keys now. You open a lot of places where Biafran has never in the history. If Mazi, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi was here, we could have not reached here. Sorry, sir, to use it. But God used you to do a great thing. And I say, may Chuko Kikabiama, may the God of Biafra, may he lead you. You are the Joshua of Biafra, the Caleb of Biafra. I am so, if I uzenezo See, mara no one no one so not do even gimo. As far as this God is living, I'll go extra mile because you have gone extra mile to make sure that this is reality. And that is why wherever Mazi is, he's relaxing. He's believing because he knows that his incarnation, the son that he has been looking for, has done. His name is Kamani. You know, Kamani joined Njokuji. And Njokuji joined Ekpa. And Ekpa joined Uma. Can you imagine what it is? So, sir, thank you, our Prime Minister. I pray that Chuko Kikabiama, the tears, those sleepless nights you cry, I'm telling you, is a tears of joy. Let me tell you that everyone in Biafra land, they are celebrating you. You don't know what you have done for Biafra. You don't know what you have done for the generation, unborn generation. And let me tell you, this Nigeria you are seeing that have lost, they want, they wish how they can turn the clock back so that you come and be one of it. But it is over because you want them. And now they are seeing the reality. And I am so proud to be among this
clock can never turn back. You see, let me tell
exactly.
you, the people that are crying that oh, Ali Igbo this, Ali Igbo that, we have not started. Ali Igbo is having Nigeria terrorists in Ali Igbo. Ali Igbo can never have peace until they leave. It's a fact. This is a bitter truth. So anybody that is thinking someone is destroying Ali, I am not the one destroying Ali Igbo. Nigeria state is destroying Ali Igbo by bringing criminals and terrorists to be killing our people, abducting our women and children, putting checkpoint, subjecting our people to all manner of dehumanization. And so who is bringing this onto the leave? And let me tell you, like I said, these non-arm carrying one are like Ovenkubu. We have started from them. After the court, we go to the next prostata. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Dr. Rose. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. And I want to sing a special song for our Prime Minister and for Biafra, a very quick one. The zoo we see today is compared to Egypt in the Bible. The Nigeria is no more in our lives. Egyptians are no more in our lives. Egyptians are no more in our lives. Nigeria is no more in our lives. We have seen them before. We will see them no more. Chukwokike will fight for us and we will see them no more. Egyptians are no more in our lives. Hallelujah. Nigeria is no more in our lives.
Oh, yes.
Nigeria is no more in our lives. Nigeria is no more in our lives. Nigeria is no more in our lives. We have seen them before. We will see them no more. The Lord will fight for us and we will see them no more. Nigeria is no more in our lives. Very soon we shall see them no more forever.
Yes, thank you very much, Honorable Raphael. And like I said, if you look at the highlight, the official model of the Biafra ID card is there for everybody, including international observers that are listening to me. Like there are many foreigners here. I am telling you today, this is the European standard ID card. No country in Africa has it. I am bragging about it. Anyway, and this is, everything they say we are doing Photoshop, we are doing this and doing that. This ID card you see here is costing the Biafra government a fortune. The reason we are investing heavily in this security featured ID card is so that we understand the importance of data protection. We understand the importance of security, where we don't want our ID card to be forged, easily forged, like the Nigeria state. So What this intend to do is to eliminate everything forgery, and it is electronic. So I want everybody to understand that everything I'm saying here, I'm saying it with integrity. And it is something that have been posted. It is not yet presented to the cabinet, to be presented tomorrow with all the features. It has about many pages. Let me check the pages. So this is not just, this is just, because it is not yet presented to the cabinet. So I'm just doing this to, to let Biafrans that are listening to have this privilege, that nobody else has. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. This ID card you see has 8 pages of.
ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu dịka unu si wepụta oge unu igekwa ya bụ ife nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa eji maka ya wee bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia bụ ebe anyị si wee na-wetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, ana gbasịta maka nnwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ, ana gbasịta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ladies. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'ụdị nke gị asị gị kwuo ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o jedebe njọ ọ ya adịkwanụ mma. Ọgwụ na ọtụ ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nke unu ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ ikwucha ya bụ ife kapa arụsị ya kwurụta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị darụrụ ine na ụmụnne m kpọmọ na-ege ntị. Anyị na-ekene ndị nnekunu si na-esoyere anyị esiri ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.